Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix flashlight not working on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now, there's different ways to turn on and off the flashlight. First way is from the top menu here. You might see a flashlight icon. You can do it that way, turn it on and off. If you don't see it right there, you can always edit this menu and then add basically a control to here. So if you don't see it, it might be a control that you need to add down here where it says add a control, and then you look for it over here. Now, another way to also turn on and off the flashlight is from the lock screen. You may notice you have a flashlight icon right here that you just tap to lock and unlock as well. So that's going to be a flashlight option. Now, let's say you do both and it's still not working. The next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is basically, if you have the camera app open, you want to basically close it out. Sometimes the camera app has a flash option. It may be looking to use a flashlight and the regular flashlight might not be working. And any other apps as well, such as Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, or Zoom, or anything that may be using your camera, it may also be disabling your flash. You need to go ahead and check those open camera or open apps, or just close all the apps as well. Now, the next thing you want to do is in your setting here, you're going to make sure under battery, you're going to look for power saving. If you have power saving on, you need to turn that off because that reduces certain functionality like the flash. So you need to make sure that is turned off as well. Along with that is make sure your phone is charged at least 20% or more. When the battery is low, it disables certain things like flashlight because it consumes battery a little bit quicker. Now, other thing you may need to do is just go ahead and just restart your phone. So from there on, from the top, you can click on the power icon, just restart it, or using the volume down or the side button as well at the same time, and do a quick restart. Now, after you restarted it and you're still having issues, you want to check the flash is working on the camera app with the photos. With the photo on, click on flash, turn it on, and then try to see if you can get flash to work. And if it works, that means your flash is good. It's just something else we need to check out, which brings us to the next thing is going into our setting, and then we're going to go to apps, and then we're going to look for the camera app settings. So we're going to go to camera. So you find the camera app, and in the camera app, you're going to click on storage and then clear cache as well. And then go ahead and close out the camera app as well, and go ahead and try one more time. Now, after that, the next thing you want to do is just update the phone software. So in your setting, you're going to go to software update and check for update. If there is an update, go ahead and update your phone as well. And lastly, if none of this is working, you can do a reset of settings. So from the main settings here, you're going to look for the option for general management and then reset. And then from there on, we can do a reset of all settings. This will reset settings. It will not delete any of your data. The last important step to do if the flashlight still isn't working. And I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.